Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Maryam and I am super excited to be back with a new video tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be working with the Exotic Garden stamp set, which you can see here on the screen. This stamp set includes a beautiful flower bouquet, perfect for coloring with any medium of your choice. This particular set has also a coordinating die available that works perfectly with this stamp. I'm also going to be using watercolor paper, the obsidian pigment ink, and the crystal clear crisp embossing powder. Alright, let's get started. I started by applying some anti-static powder using the brush that comes with the tool to spread the powder equally. What this does is that it helps us reduce the static of the paper so the embossing powder only sticks where it should. Next, I took the obsidian pigment ink and stamped the image twice on my watercolor paper. Following up, I grabbed the crystal clear embossing powder and sprinkled it onto the paper. Put the excess powder back into the jar, and with the help of my heat gun, I melt the powder. Continuing with the process, I took my watercolor brush markers, this is the Tropical Fiesta set, and colored the entire image. This is just simple watercoloring, nothing really complicated, but it does take some time since it is a big image. But if you enjoy coloring as much as I do, you are going to have a great time doing this. Okay, now I'm going to leave you guys with some music and I'll be back soon. Alright, now that the coloring part is done, what we're going to do is take our coordinating die and cut out the image. Out of camera, I repeated the process I showed before and colored 2 more images and embossed some 3 more with the Altenew Antique Gold embossing powder that you will see here in a minute. Once I had all the elements I needed, I took the flower pieces and cut them in half to create a floral wreath with them. Since these floral arrangements weren't originally designed to be turned into a wreath, what I did was to cut a circle out of white cardstock and adhere the pieces behind it to cover all the imperfections and have a perfect circular floral wreath. To add some more interest to my page, I added some of the gold flowers I embossed before around the ones I colored. Last but not least, I added my photo and journaling and used the Live Your Dream Puffy alphabet stickers to create my title. Okay, so that is it for today. Before this video ends, I wanted to mention that I have 2 more ideas using the exotic garden stamp set over at the Altenew Scrapbook blog, so make sure to visit the blog post to get even more inspiration, and as always, the link is down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help you as soon as I can. Also, be sure to hit the subscribe button below and ring the little bell so you don't miss any new videos. Thank you so much for watching and hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!